Welcome to the Distributor How-To series, how to sign up to SourcingMachine. Below the Submit button, click the Sign Up Now button. You can sign up as a distributor or a supplier at this point. As a distributor, you now need to choose your membership type. You can choose to have access just to SourcingMachine or have access to SourcingMachine along with your own company website that we can set up for you. You now just need to add your details, your company logo to the rest of the form. On SourcingMachine we have lots and lots of trade pricing. You can set your markup here now. Agree to our terms and conditions and click Sign Up. Your application to join SourcingMachine has now been sent to us here. Thank you for watching.